If you've submitted your FAFSA and need to make a correction, there are a few things to know. You can only make corrections once your FAFSA has been processed and you've received your FAFSA submission summary, which you usually get a few days after submitting the form. If your FAFSA has been processed and you have received a FAFSA submission summary, you can make corrections to your FAFSA. Go to FAFSA.gov and click on Access Existing Form. Log in with your FSA ID, and you'll be at your studentaid.gov dashboard. Under My Activity, click on the FAFSA that you need to make corrections to. There are a few different ways to make corrections. If the FAFSA has flagged a correction, you can find the section that needs a correction on the status tracker. You can also access corrections from the Actions menu in the top right-hand corner of the page. If you access corrections via the Actions menu, you must navigate the form to the area you want to correct. The other place to get access to the form to make corrections is the Form Answers page of the FAFSA submission summary. If you need to edit contributor information, or if you listed the wrong parent in the initial submission, you can also make those changes through the Actions menu. If you edit the contributor information, the FAFSA will send a new invite and the current contributor section will be deleted. If you make corrections to your section of the FAFSA, you will need to sign and submit the FAFSA again. Once processed, you should review the FAFSA submission summary to ensure everything looks correct.